We're back. Venison chili. I've never done venison chili, but somebody gave it to me. We're going to make it easy on you all. Saute. Medium. Let's start. Oil. Apparently we're against seed oils now. I don't know why, but there's some avocado oil for you. Let that heat up. Onion. But Sean, it's not perfectly diced. This isn't about perfectly diced. That part of Sean is dead. Now I like rustic big cuts. That's what's going to happen now. You want carrots in your chili? Go for it. Carrots in your chili all day. Celery doesn't get enough love. And I've discovered this over the past several months. I have been putting celery in everything. You roast it, just cut it up, big chunks. Roast it with your potatoes and stuff. Delicious. So let's see here. Big cuts. Let's get these out of the way. There we go. Look at this. Big cuts. Doesn't even care anymore. Ha! Madman. Cut it this way, this way, this way, this way. There we go. Look at that. It's fine. Do it your way. One onion in the pot. We're going to let that sizzle. And you spatula it. Everybody's got a different chili. I worked at a senior home as a chef 2.5 years. 2 years. Everybody's got a different chili. Some people want more beans. Some people want more meat. Some people want frickin' cinnamon in it. That's just weird, but they do it. So my goal here, I want to do this. Let's throw the meat in right with it. Somebody gave us this venison. Caught in the wild, probably in somebody's bumper. Don't veer for deer, people. Just ram them straight through. You're going to cause less damage. Let's do spices. So, chili. My chili is usually with green pepper. However, this time I'm just going to do green chili. Bush's chili beans, mild chili sauce. I have found that over the years, it's never done me wrong. 1 can of diced tomatoes. Let's put in some chili powder. Chili powder. I should make a chili seasoning. That way I wouldn't have to keep doing this every time. Add that to the list. 1 tablespoon chili powder. Big tablespoon. There we go. This is all it takes too. If I don't like it later, you can always add more. Experiment. Don't be afraid to mess up. Garlic. Half a tablespoon maybe. You can season your meat. Season your onions. If there's a lot of fat in there, let's say, with the beef and stuff, you can actually just pull it out, drain it. Then you can cook the rest. You don't want this to be an oily soup. Oh, that's a lot of onion. There we go. Back in. Black pepper. Oregano. Cumin. What else? Salt. Am I missing anything? There we go. It's 10 degrees out right now. If that's not chilly weather. Is this thing on? It is. Look at that. You can't see it, can you? Very lean. This stuff is not producing a lot of fat at all. Let's open up some cans. Always clean as you go. Keep it clean, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, there's literally no fat from this venison. So, in that case, there's no point in draining it. So let's just add all this stuff. With the sauce, what's appropriate weather for chili? Sub 60? Some people think it's sub 70. They're crazy. Chili in the summer? It's possible, but not recommended. Now, this could be too thick. Now, you can go 1 of 2 ways with this. You add a little bit of that. And then, oh yeah, that's a good consistency. Oh, that's chili! Now, what you're going to do next is cheat. You're going to cheat. Beef stock. chicken stock. Canned jalapenos. Not today. The wife's going to eat it. All right, so you're going to take a little bit of beef stock, a little bit of chicken stock. It's a little secret there. Then you get veal stock. I don't know. This looks good. Chili should be simple. Six ingredients or less. Secret to chili. Never eat it on the first day. Wait. Better yet, freeze it. Open it up in like a week. Frozen chili, it's got all that time to meld those flavors together. So much better. That's good enough for me. Clean up.